How we doing, people? This is Tommy with Tommy's Mobile Mechanics, and today customer complaint is drive the car anywhere from 30 to 50 miles an hour. She feels a shake. RPMs jump around maybe a little bit. Sounds like a vacuum leak. I was trying to see if I can get it to do it here on the video. I don't know if it will because it's kind of intermitting, but I definitely felt it a couple times. So we're gonna get this thing back and check for vacuum leaks. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to do that. And all right, we are back, guys. So we're checking for vacuum leaks. And so the first thing I like to do before I do anything when I check for vacuum leaks is just to check my hoses, right? Check from here to your throttle body, check the hoses, anything going to the intake. But first things first, here's your mass airflow, here's your throttle body, right? And if you look here, look at that little thing right there. Look at that big rip in the boot right there. All right, that's what we're gonna call the unmetered air, right? Basically, extra air is getting into that throttle body, and this mass airflow is not reading it. It's like, yo, what are we doing here? Why do we have all this extra air going in? So we're gonna replace this boot. That's gonna be step one, and then we're gonna retest. But something tells me, and I'm really surprised we don't have a check engine light, but something tells me that's gonna fix our issue. So let's do step one and replace that boot and retest. All right, guys, we went on a test drive and that's it, man. That looked like it fixed the problem. No more rips and tears. We went ahead and inspected all of our vacuum hoses to make sure there's nothing else that's cracked or leaking. But other than that, this is Tommy with Tommy's Mobile Mechanics. Until next time, you guys be good.